You got to look around. When you're 48, you got to look around. You're like, what's next? What are the 50-year-old dudes up to? Are my interests going to change? Is it time for me to move the cell phone from my pocket to my belt? That one divided the room demographically a little bit. It feels okay in the pocket, but at a certain age, you're like, not close enough. Need that bad boy right here. I think I know what's going to happen. I've done the research. I believe I am 2 years away from caring about birds. I don't want to, but you can't fight time. One of these mornings, I'm going to wake up and be like, what was that? Was that a yellow-thrusted warbler? How'd I know that? Honey, get my vest. I should take a picture. Where's my phone? Right there. I feel like most of you are laughing and a few of you are like, good luck finding a warbler this time of year. If I'm 2 years away from caring about birds, that means 3 years away from hating squirrels. I know a lot of grown-ass adults who stare out their own window all day like, squirrel, son of a bitch! My neighbor Bob yells at squirrels all day to get out of his bird feeder. He put up a sign that said bird feeder. I was like, Bob, they read at a squirrel level. I'm a fun neighbor, so for my backyard, I got a squirrel feeder. Yeah, guess who eats out of it? Nope, my daughter. Yeah, I was surprised too. I'm like, we have food in the house. You are embarrassing us. It was a couple years ago. That was my evidence it was time to reopen schools in my area. Got a 9-year-old in the backyard. Daddy, I buried some. I'm like, oh my God, okay.